Aloha! This video tutorial will go over how to create a travel allowance itinerary when the expense is not included in your initial travel request. We'll go ahead and create a new expense report using the proper naming convention with your username, expenses, and the month at the end there. Go and click on add and find the travel request that you are referring to for your report. This area, as you can see, you can't really tell which one it is, so that's why it's important to use the naming convention so that you can identify it easier when you're reconciling. We'll go and just select a bunch of them and move from there. It is okay to select all of them. They won't disappear or delete once you have used them. That stage is another step where you would inactivate them. Okay, so all requests are here, and we're going to go and click on next, and this next prompt will come up asking if a travel allowance expense is included, and for this particular trip, yes, because it was an overnight stay. And she came from, change the name, Mango Expenses July, from Hilo on the 7th to Honolulu at about AM. Click on save. Very important that you also submit the return flight. The times are estimated, and it's okay to estimate them. Doesn't have to be exact. And save. So they're there now. Go to next, and you'll see them added into a assigned itineraries box. That means that it'll link to the expenses based on the date that you have here. Go and click on next, and this is the area where you will identify what meals are provided by KS. For this one, it was only the first night's dinner because breakfast and lunch were provided already by KS. And then from here we'll create expenses. Now we'll just go ahead and import all expenses to your report and reconcile as normal. For the sake of this tutorial, we'll go ahead and do this one now. It was a meal. We'll go on travel meals for self because it wasn't during a meeting. It was dinner, which is available. Actually, there were dinner for overnight stay, Kuamahi, meeting, and save. The only other thing I'm missing is the receipt. I can attach that later, but you'll see now that this link is visible. If you click on it, it'll show you what your allowance limit is and how much you have spent for the day. And that pretty much is how to link a travel allowance itinerary to your expense. Hope it was helpful. Please give me a call or shoot me an email if you have any questions. Mahalo. Have a great day.